We have researchers stating that the ground lines are retreating across the seafloor around Antarctica and specifically around the western rim. They're saying that these ground lines are on the retreat right at the ocean floor. And it looks like a bunch of scientists from the University of Leeds went out conducting this experiment. What they're stating is that the underwater footprint is shrinking. Now, of course, every time we hear something like this, it goes along with some kind of an agenda out there, climate change, or you're breathing too much, we've got to tax your CO2, and all those things. But some of this is part of a natural cycle that they're just not talking about. Can't help but think that this planet has gone through a cycle over and over and over and over again. And even though if some of this data was known, it would be suppressed to fit whatever the global agenda is at the time. Now, this planet's going through some changes. There's no doubts about that. But what is interesting about Antarctica here is that it has its own feature of this belt, conveyor belt of life and of water flow that circle all of the continent. It is this massive rapid that just is constantly swirling around the continent. It's very unique. And with this water movement constantly going around, it makes you wonder, why would it be so warm over here? Are we possibly seeing some kind of volcanic venting on the ocean floor? And the reason I bring this up is because this is on the western flank of Antarctica. This is in the one region of Antarctica that could be associated with the Ring of Fire. They don't go on to state any other details besides the finding that it's shrinking. The cause of it, up in the air. But, I'm looking at this thing all the way around, knowing what I know about it, the water flow, the mass of it, and where the Ring of Fire sits, could potentially have something to do with the warming of the waters over here. But this is what they're saying. I just wanted to let it be known. Some updated information here in terms of Antarctica. This mystery continent that we always find intriguing things coming from, but can never really get solid answers for because they keep everything such a mystery. Anyhow, I'm going to leave a link. I'll update via Twitter as I come across more. It's been Dabu7. Much love, y'all.